Hello everyone. Welcome to PowerPoint University. Today I will show you the tutorial of making this 3D pyramid logo by PowerPoint. Download link for this logo is in the description. You need PowerPoint 2016 or higher for making it. Okay, let's start. At first, open PowerPoint. Now open a blank presentation. Then go to Layout. From here, select blank. Okay, now we've to insert a right-angled triangle. Make a copy of it. Rotate it to right like me. Okay, now expand it. Well, now select the two. Then go to Format. Click on Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Okay, now place two vertexes at the same position. It's hard to do by mouse. Use navigation keys of keyboard. Done, now insert a rectangle. Place it just beside the height of first triangle. Now select it. Then select it together. Then go to Format. Now click on Merge Shapes and choose Subtract. Alright. Again do the same work for the third one. Just follow me. Okay, now select all. Then click on Merge Shapes and choose Union. Well, now make a copy of it. Then go to Rotate and choose Flip Horizontal. Okay, now set it beside previous. Now you've to change color from going to Shape Fill. One must be lighter and one darker. For making a color lighter or darker, go to More Fill Colors. Here, go to Custom and follow me. Now make another darker by the same way. At last, select all. Sorry. Let's do it again. OK, now click right button. Then go to group and select group. It's too big. I'm decreasing it. All done. It's perfect now. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. To get more tutorials of making such creative things, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon. OK, have a nice day. Bye.